Good afternoon, everyone. This video is very important, and I would like you to listen to this video without any emotion, without a biased mind. Be neutral so that you understand the concept why I'm making this video. Now, I want you to look at this video in your screen. Someone sent it to me. Time without number, people have been complaining about these things, but it seems that we are not paying attention to it. Time without number, you will see people we call from, especially from Imo State, but this one is happening in Anambra State, and the people you are seeing there are Anambra Vigilante Group. You will see their motto where it was inscribed there, the Anambra Vigilante Group, AVG. Now, you see what they are doing. They are just kidnapping people. Well, I don't really know what transpired there, but I'm trying to make something out of this video. You see, they are just kidnapping a very young man. According to the story of someone who sent me this video, the guy is innocent. The guy don't even know, he don't even know the reason why they are even kidnapping him. You can see the motto, Anambra State Vigilante Group. Now, what these people are doing is what a lot of people have been complaining. When you hear that people are telling you that there is insecurity in the Southeast, first of all, ask which state and who is the governor. Which state and who is the governor? You see in Imo State, something like this, where Hope Uzodinma asked the Nigerian federal government to increase the presence of the military and so on and so forth. For what? And, these people will come, they will be intimidating people. Imagine now, this boy they are carrying, if this boy is innocent, and if God help him, he comes back maybe in the future, 2 months, 3 months, or the following, you think the boy will fold his hand? The boy will find one way or the other to return it. You see, this life we are living, people find it difficult to forgive. People find it difficult to forgive because many people are with heavy heart because of the situation in Nigeria. So they find it difficult to forgive. Just look at this intimidation. I just pray that this boy is not guilty. If this boy, this boy is guilty, I mean to say, because if this boy is innocent, he's going to retaliate in the future, and they will say insecurity, that these people are causing it, these people are causing it. And that is why I'm going to tell you this. From what I'm saying, Anambra State, the kind of insecurity that will be in Anambra State, this is coming from my own imagination, from my own research, from my own perception, and from my own view. And I will tell you why there will be insecurity in Anambra State. If Soludo, Governor Chukwuma Soludo, if he did not stop what he's doing. Now, the other day, someone called me and said that Soludo said that anyone who did not open his shop on Monday, whether they will block his shop, the state will take his shop or her shop from him. I said, why? Does it mean that if someone is sick now, you did not come to shop on Monday, and Soludo will say because that Monday is sit at home, that is the reason why you did not come to shop, they will take your shop. All these things are illegal something. If people want to sit at home for 1 week, it is their right to sit at home. As far as they are not forcing you to sit at home, and you yourself, you want to sit at home, what is wrong with sitting at home? Then, I think what Soludo should ask is, why are they sitting at home? Yeah, purpose, why? Then, he might be able to realize that, it's because of the detention of Nnamdi Kanu. Now, what has he done as Anambra State Governor? He has been playing politics within Nnamdi Kanu detention, going to visit him, all those things. It's just a show off. It's just a show off. The real truth is about how you treat your people, because governance is all about how you treat your people. There is no governor in the Southeast that is not aware that this agitation, the Biafra agitation, has taken a larger number of people. Up to 70 to 85%, according to statistics from people in the Southeast, all of them are, they are member of this agitation. When I mean they are member, they want a separatist country. Now, I'm not against you that you are a governor, but I'm against you because you don't know how to govern. Soludo don't know how to govern. I could remember when Soludo was going for governor. He was campaigning and he was saying all sort of things, blah, 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 blah. He's going to turn Anambra into Dubai, not what P2B did, what this. He was even attacking people when he has not even assumed office. He did not test the position. Even when Soludo assumed office as Anambra State Governor, you remember what he did during election? He was writing data part 1, part 2, why P2B should not be president. Your own brother, they called them saboteurs. Soludo was just doing nonsense. Now, look at the Anambra. He said he's going to turn into Dubai. Next year is election. Soludo has completed his tenure. He did not change anything. What has he done with so much amount of money that they have given to him? The other day, I was listening to Valentine Ozigbo. Valentine Ozigbo was former PDP gubernatorial aspirant, candidate in Anambra State, but now he is in a Labour Party with Mr. P2B. And I think Valentine Ozigbo should be a better person that should be in Anambra State government has not even a Soludo. Now, with all these things, all this vigilante, I believe Soludo must have seen this video. Kidnapping your own people, intimidating your own people. How do you want your people to feel? Do you think it's going to be, people will keep quiet and just because you are who? No, it's not going to happen. So, if Soludo really wants everything to go well, he should not even think about governance. Maybe after next year or anything, he should just go to his own, because as far as I'm concerned, Soludo is going to cause insecurity like what Hopus Odema is doing in Imo State. Now, this is, the main point of what I'm saying. Look at Abia State. Look at Abia State. Do you see the non-kinetic approach that an ex-OT is using to govern his people? That is governance. That is leadership. When they were doing, remember, Biafra, whether it's Biafran's Day or Biafran Heroes Day, when they were remembering people that died during Nigeria and Biafra War, you remember what happened, right? And that's what he said. These people, if you want to remember your people, no problem. They have the right to remember. Let people stay at home, because people died and you are remembering them. It's not a crime. It's our culture and custom. 3 million people is not 3 people. So after that, some states were saying, no, it will not happen. I said, your people, listen to your people. We don't have democracy, but that is the meaning of democracy. You listen to the majority of people. Because anybody who opposes the majority of people, you will have, a tough system to govern. People will make it ungovernable for you, because you are trying to govern by yourself, not from the people. So, Ludo, you fuck up. And people are not happy with you, the way you are governing Anambra State, and so on and so forth. So my best advice for you, nobody knows tomorrow anyway. It is God that knows tomorrow. But my best advice for Soludo is this. If God keep us alive, if we are still alive, because in Nigeria, everybody is on a death row. We don't know what will happen tomorrow. You can just wake up and die. You understand? So if God is willing, if everything goes well, I think Soludo should be able to step aside and never ever to come out in any ballot again. If that is if there will be election, right? And that is if everything, because the way Nigeria is going anyway, Nigerians don't complain again. There are people who are suffering and smiling, they don't complain. Maybe they will continue to do what they are doing. But what I'm saying is that, Governor Soludo, I don't have problem with you, but I have problem with the way you govern your people. And your people are very, very angry with you. And they are going to shock you. Anytime you come out in a ballot again, they are going to shock you. Because I know the kind of calls I receive. The other day I was at Anambra State for over, so many days. We move around. We see that nothing is really going on. The Dubai you say you've done Anambra to, you were telling lies. Nothing is going on. And you want to add, they say you want to add salt upon injury. That is just what you're about to do. You want to start closing people's shop. You ask your vigilante to be arresting people. Tomorrow they will say it's Eastern Security Network. Tomorrow they will say it's IPOB. You people are just looking for a way to make sure that Nnamdi Kanu will not come out. By all these things, asking your people to go and kidnap people here and there. And tomorrow they will start shooting. They will say it's Onongon men, it's Nnamdi Kanu people, it's these people. No, you are making things difficult for your people. It's not going to be, it's not going to be something funny for you. My advice for you is that try your possible best, finish and go home, because it is better you go home honorably and you come out in the bundles and get disgraced. That is my simple advice for you.
When trouble sleep, nyaga go wake am. Betty the fire, he the fire, malala he go get you. He go get malala. When can sleep, black go by the tail. Betty the fire, malala he the fire, malala he go get you. Then I lost a job. He sit down for house. He did look for job. Mr. Lala come wake him up. He say, Mr. Pay me your rent. What he dey find? He dey find. Lala, he go get you go. He go get Lala. My friend has come for prison. He dey look for work. Waka waka day and night. Policeman comes up for road. He say, Mr. Charge you for my brain. What he dey find? for church. He do big party in Saturday's run because he loved the wife. Mrs. Wife gone away. Back manager